Have you ever felt like your body is running on empty no matter how much sleep you get or how well you eat? What if I told you there's a cutting-edge therapy that's helping men reclaim their energy, sharpen their focus, and optimize their performance in ways they never thought possible? Today, we're diving deep into EBOO therapy, a revolutionary treatment that's transforming how men approach their health and vitality. Before we get started, I need to be crystal clear about something. Everything we discuss today is for educational purposes only. This is not medical advice, and you should always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before considering any new treatment. Your doctor knows your medical history and can guide you toward what's safest and most appropriate for your specific situation. So, what exactly is EBOO therapy? EBOO stands for Extracorporeal Blood Oxygenation and Ozonation. I know that sounds like a mouthful, but stick with me because this is where things get fascinating. Essentially, this therapy involves removing blood from your body, treating it with ozone and oxygen outside your system, and then returning that newly oxygenated blood back to your circulation. Think of it like giving your blood a complete makeover. During the process, your blood is drawn through specialized tubing into a machine that exposes it to medical-grade ozone. This ozone interacts with your blood cells, potentially enhancing their oxygen-carrying capacity and helping to neutralize various toxins and pathogens that might be lurking in your system. Now, you might be wondering why this matters specifically for men. Here's the thing. Modern life is incredibly demanding on our bodies. We're dealing with stress from work, environmental toxins, poor sleep, processed foods, and constant pressure to perform. All of these factors can leave us feeling depleted, mentally foggy, and physically exhausted. Men often struggle with declining energy levels as they age, reduced athletic performance, brain fog that affects their work productivity, and a general sense that they're not operating at their peak potential. Traditional approaches might help somewhat, but many guys are looking for something more comprehensive, something that addresses these issues at a cellular level. This is where EBOO therapy enters the picture. Proponents suggest that by oxygenating and detoxifying the blood, this treatment may help support the body's natural healing processes and potentially boost overall vitality. Some men report experiencing increased energy levels, improved mental clarity, better sleep quality, and enhanced physical performance after undergoing EBOO treatments. Let me walk you through what a typical EBOO session might look like. The process usually takes place in a clinical setting under medical supervision. You'll be seated comfortably while a healthcare professional inserts a small catheter, similar to what you'd experience during a blood donation. Your blood is then drawn through sterile tubing into the EBOO machine. Inside this sophisticated device, your blood encounters medical-grade ozone, which is carefully measured and controlled. The ozone interacts with your blood for a specific period, during which time it's believed to neutralize harmful substances and enhance the oxygen content. After this treatment phase, your blood is returned to your body through the same catheter system. The entire process typically takes between 60 to 90 minutes, and many people find it surprisingly relaxing. Some even bring books or listen to music during their session. Most practitioners recommend a series of treatments rather than just a single session, though the exact protocol varies depending on individual needs and goals. What makes EBOO particularly interesting is its potential to address multiple health concerns simultaneously. While individual results vary, some men report improvements in areas they weren't even specifically targeting. For instance, someone seeking better energy might also notice improvements in their skin quality or digestive health. The science behind ozone therapy suggests that ozone may help stimulate the immune system, improve circulation, and support the body's natural detoxification processes. When applied to blood outside the body, ozone is thought to create beneficial compounds that can continue working even after the treated blood is returned to circulation. However, it's crucial to understand that EBOO therapy isn't a magic bullet or a substitute for healthy lifestyle choices. Think of it more as a potential tool in a comprehensive approach to wellness. The men who seem to get the best results are typically those who combine EBOO with proper nutrition, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management. Safety is obviously a paramount concern with any medical procedure. EBOO therapy should only be performed by qualified healthcare professionals using proper equipment and following strict safety protocols. The ozone used in medical applications is different from environmental ozone and requires specialized knowledge to administer safely. Some people may not be candidates for EBOO therapy due to certain medical conditions or medications they're taking. This is another reason why consulting with a healthcare provider is so important. They can evaluate your medical history, current health status, and any potential risks or contraindications. The cost and availability of EBOO therapy can vary significantly depending on your location and the specific clinic. It's not typically covered by insurance, so it's important to factor in the financial commitment when considering this treatment option. If you're intrigued by EBOO therapy, the first step is having an honest conversation with a healthcare professional who's knowledgeable about ozone therapies. They can help you understand whether you might be a good candidate and what realistic expectations you should have. Remember, optimizing your health is a marathon, not a sprint. Whether EBOO therapy becomes part of your wellness journey or not, the most important thing is taking a proactive approach to your health and making informed decisions with proper medical guidance. So, to wrap things up, EBOO therapy is a fascinating and emerging option for men looking to boost their vitality and performance from the inside out. By treating blood with ozone and oxygen, it aims to enhance cellular function, support detoxification, and improve overall wellness. It's not a miracle cure, but it could be a powerful component of a holistic health strategy for the right person. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into EBOO therapy. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content on optimizing men's health. And remember, before making any decisions about this or any other treatment, always consult with a qualified doctor who can provide personalized advice based on your individual health needs. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.